Today we're going to go over how to change the bulbs in our Troffer mount air disinfection unit. For this video, for the purposes of this video, we have the unit up on its side just so we can see everything clearly. When this is mounted in the ceiling, this will actually be facing down towards the floor. So basically it's straightforward. This plate right here is actually covering the bulbs. So we're going to take out these little screws around the outside, and then once we do that, we'll have access to the inside where the bulbs are. And all I need is an Allen wrench. When I'm doing this, I like to leave one end, that way it just kind of holds it in place until I get to that one. Then you'll have to hold it up while you take the last screw out. You don't want to let this fall and hit you in the face. Alright, we're down to our last one, so I'm going to go ahead and hold it. Alright, now these are 2-pin T8 bulbs. So to get them out, you basically have to turn them quarter turn like that, and then pull straight out. And while you're doing this, you don't want to put your skin on the bulb, because your skin actually has oils in it that will degrade the glass and decrease the life of the bulb. So try to keep your hands on the ends like this. So when you go to put the new bulb in, you're just going to line these 2 pins up on the end right here with the little slot and the tombstones on either side. Push it straight in like that, quarter turn, and you'll hear it kind of lock in place. And just repeat that process for the other bulb, and they'll be changed. And then when you get done with that, you just put the plate back and replace all the screws to hold them in place. They don't have to be over tightened, it's just holding that plate in, and you're done. So now we're going to go over how to change out the air filter. It's basically the same process. This little front plate right here with the 4 screws around the outside, those are holding it in place. So we're going to take those screws out again with an Allen wrench. I'll just go around and loosen them all up. Alright. And then go ahead and pull them out. Again, when you're taking these out, make sure when you remove the last one, you support the plate so that it doesn't fall and hit you in the face. So we're down to our last one, so I'm going to support the plate here a little bit. Okay, that takes care of that. As you can see, it uses 2 square filters here. So you just kind of wiggle that thing out of there. Maybe. Just a little bit of a tight fit. That's what you want though. Alright. So there you go, square filter. And basically you want to replace it with a filter of the same size, because this little frame here is designed to fit this. So you'll measure this filter, order one the same size to fit, and just place it right back in there. like that. And then you'll put the plate back on there and replace the screws, and you're done.